So look at this burger. It looks mouth-watering. It looks incredible. And I can't wait to give it a try.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Salim Sheikh and welcome to Food Street. When it comes to burger, most of the people, what they do is they go for a fried burger, or about roughly 20 to 25% when it comes to barbecue, they go for a grill burger. Lekin there is a third option available, which most of the people aren't aware of, which is something I'm going to show to you. It's very quick, it's very amazing, and this is something we're going to do on a pan, and it will be ready in under 5 minutes, and it would taste equally amazing, something you would absolutely love. So let me show to you how it gets done, and let's begin.
So let me show you how it gets done. सबसे पहले मैंने एक breast fillet ले लिया था, जिसको half cut in half, ताकि ये दोनों साइड से स्मूथ हो सके, इवन हो सके, just like that. क्योंकि मेरा breast का पीस जो था वो thick enough था, और उसकी extra pieces जो थे बैक से वो मैंने remove कर लिए थे. So next up, is we're gonna add some more cuts to it. So I'm gonna add few cuts here. And few cuts on this side as well. And same thing on the other piece as well. So we're gonna use both pieces. Like it is say at least up you can make at least 2 to 3 burgers. So next up, I'm gonna add a bit of, I'm gonna put it aside. So we'll add a bit of olive oil, a pinch of black pepper, and a pinch of salt as well. जो कि इस पे जाएगा. So what I'm gonna do is इसको इस तरीके से रख दूंगा और इसको मिक्स कर लूंगा बैक साइड को first, which is what I'm gonna do. Same thing on the other side as well, for the other piece in fact. So a bit of salt, a bit of black pepper, and that's about it. और उसको मैं अच्छे तरीके से बैक साइड पे मिक्स कर लूंगा. So on both sides. Same thing on the front as well. I'll add a pinch of olive oil, a touch of olive oil instead, and a pinch of pepper. If you like, you can add more, or लेकिन I wouldn't recommend. Just a pinch would do, और ये बहुत tasty बनेगा. A pinch of salt on both, and we are done. That's it. Good thing about this burger is कि इसको हमने marinate नहीं करना होता. You can cook it right away. So इसको मैं अच्छे तरीके से mix कर लूँगा on the both side. And the other side was already done, as you can see. और ये side भी अच्छे तरीके से mix हो गई है. तो that's it. So this is the marination part. So let me show you इसको पैन पे कैसे कुक करते हैं, and we should be ready in about a minute or 2. So I'll see you guys shortly. So let's begin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So our chicken is ready, our marination is ready. What I have done कि एक पैन ले लिया जो कि already hot है. So make sure your pan is hot. हमें कोई oil कुछ नहीं add करना इस पे. So I'm gonna mix the marinated chicken piece, and I'll place it here shortly. So that's it. So one piece goes here, the other piece goes here, और इसको हम cook करेंगे for about 2 minutes on both sides. So our one side is done, और जब तक एक side completely cook नहीं हो, don't flip it. So now I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip it, and as you can see, it's cooked evenly. It looks amazing, और इसकी smell जो है वो बहुत incredible. So I'm going to flip the other one as well. और इसमें ना हमने oil ऐड किया ना कुछ किया, कुछ ऐड करने की जरूरत नहीं है on a pan, क्योंकि हमने marination जो है वो already oil based है. So we don't have to do anything. So let the other side cook for about 2 minutes, and it should be done. So now I think chicken is ready, and let me show you the both sides. Let me grab it quickly. As you can see, it's cooked on the both sides. So this is ready. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a plate and put them aside. And this piece is also ready as well. If we अगर इसको आपने crispy करना है, that's something you can do. So उसकी वजह से जो chicken का juiciness है वो खत्म हो जाएगी. So I won't cook it for more than 2 to 3 minutes. So next up, bun को ready करते हैं. Let's get our buns ready. मेरे पास enough chicken है 2 to 3 burgers के लिए. So I've taken a simple buns जिसको मैं drizzle करूँगा a bit of olive oil. Same thing on the other one as well. A touch of olive oil. और पहले मैं इस side को cook करूँगा. Then I'm gonna cook it on the other side. So once buns are cooked, I'll put our burger together and I'll show you guys the rest of the process. So guys, our buns are toasted and ready. Our chicken is ready and both of them look stunning. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut my chicken into few smaller pieces. Right, this is how I'm gonna cut it. Next up, I'll take mayo and I'll add it on both sides of the buns. Just be generous on mayo. Same thing on the other side as well. So mayo is done. Then I'll take a piece of chicken and I'll add Nando sauce on the top. You can use any other sauce if you like. Just a bit of Nando sauce, which is fine. I know it's dripping, which is fine. I'm okay with it. I'll add some onions as well. So I'll add some onions as well. Maybe 1 or 2 cucumber. It's just topping is entirely up to you, however you prefer it. I personally don't like tomato, so I'm not gonna add any tomatoes. So a bit of lettuce that will go like this. Feel free to add cheese on the top as well. And our burger is now ready. So let's give it a try. So our burger is finally ready. I can't wait to give it a try. So let's try. I'm gonna dip it in a sauce, a bit of ketchup, and let's try. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Incredible. It tastes amazing. It tastes great. Sorry if I have a ketchup or a sauce on the mouth. Yeah, it is amazing. It is stunning. The recipe was quick and very, very simple and something you can, you could have get it ready in under 5 minutes. So give it a try. Hopefully you will love it and I'll see you in the next video, inshallah.